Hello, future scholars. Welcome to Padayun.Ko's College Application Tracker. This is a place where you can track ongoing admissions and store the documents and/or essays you have submitted for the sake of organization. Now, I've heard you guys learn by doing, so let's place this in a real scenario where, say, I just applied for the DOST undergraduate scholarship. Now, first, what you want to do is to duplicate this template, place it in your Notion account. And once you've done that, let me quickly acquaint you with the content. Of course, there is Padayun.Ko, sort of inspiring. And then here is a link to our actual site, a list of scholarships so that you could actually have content and applications to track and organize. Now let's go here. The DOST is an undergraduate scholarship. So there's two categories here, and let's get you acquainted with the columns. So for the name, all I have to do is place in the name of the scholarship. Then this goes for any PH universities. Let's say I submitted yesterday and it's going to be announced by May 1, 2022. It's the real date. Now something's neat here. You can actually set up a reminder, and what this does is remind you via push notifications and email. So additional remarks is none, or for any, or like this is the university I want to go, sample university, the John Doe's of university, and the result column is for when you are actually accepted or rejected, just to keep things tracked. Let's say I'm accepted. Hopefully I'll be accepted. Now, if you come here, you can actually click this template here and also track and organize and identify your submitted documents, a link to the announcement page, and your submitted essays. Now, let's say this is the link. I should be reminded by May 2022, and let's say I submitted the following. And let me also put in the essays I've done, what is Padayun.Ko, and if I want to add an essay, you could just click this button, and what is the essence of human life? Now, you didn't come here for an existential crisis, but life is getting accepted into scholarships. And just like that, you have tracked your application. This will be really useful down the road as you spam your applications to multiple colleges and scholarships. At least you know where what went, right? That's it for Padayun.Ko's College Application Tracker. I hope you visit our actual site, Padayun.Ko, so that you could identify and help those who wish to further their academic studies. We have a lot of scholarship opportunities listed here. Have fun and see you in the university, future scholars. Good luck.